Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're just joining in, please subscribe and let's get started. Okay, first I'll be needing fresh tomato with onions for my OWO soup, then my crayfish, then our knorr, then we need salt, pepper, grounded pepper with palm oil, and also potash for our OWO soup. Then for the plantain, we need unripe plantain. So let's get started. Here is a mixture of our blended tomatoes, our crayfish, and onions. Then I allowed my tomatoes to cook for some minutes, then added grounded pepper, then covered my pot, then opened it for some minutes. Then you can see my sauce is very cooked to it. You can see my meat. So here is me adding my knorr, then my salt, then here is me adding my potash also. Then I just turned it after adding my potash. So I actually forgot to show you guys when I was adding my palm oil. Yeah, but after adding my potash, I just covered my pot for some time. Then when I opened it, I added my palm oil. Yeah, I added my palm oil, then I like to cook for some time. There's my OWO soup, and then this is my unripe plantain. It's already cooked, so ready to serve, and my OWO soup is ready to serve. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks, and don't forget to give my video a thumbs up. Love you all. Thanks.